Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can scan a storage device for any errors and possibly fix them in Windows 10. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to find out what the drive letter of the storage device that you want to scan is. So to do that, we're just going to open up the File Explorer and we're then going to click this PC. Now as you can see, I have a C drive, a D drive and an E drive, and the one that I'm going to be scanning is the D drive, so I'm going to be using the drive letter D. So once you've found your drive letter, you can then close the File Explorer, and you then need to click in the search bar down here, and you need to type CMD. And then you need to right click on the command prompt here, and you then need to click Run as Administrator. Now it's important that you do run the command prompt as an administrator, else you won't be able to scan a storage device, as Windows won't be able to lock the storage device to be able to scan it. So now to scan a storage device, we're just going to enter the command. So the command is chkdsk space and then the drive letter of the storage device that you want to scan. So for me, that is D, and then a colon, and then space /F. So what the /F does is it just specifies that you want to try and fix any errors if any are found. Now if you can't read the command will also be in the description, so you can copy it from there. So now we've typed the command out, we're now just going to press enter, and it will now start scanning the storage device for any errors. Now if the storage device is in use, then it won't be able to scan it at this moment in time, and it will prompt you if you want to scan it when you restart. So if I change the drive letter in the command from D to C and I press enter, as you can see it can't scan the C drive at the minute as it is currently in use. So if we wanted to scan the C drive, all we would have to do is just press Y for yes on this prompt and then press enter. And then all you need to do after that is just restart your computer, and then it would start scanning the device when your computer restarts. But I don't want to scan the C drive, so I just press no. Now if it does find any errors, it will try to fix them, but it might not always work, as it really does depend on what is wrong with your storage device. Anyway guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to like button. If you dislike to hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.